right, so I just got home. We went to Costco. I think this was about $240, but it is way keto friendly. I did get a couple things for the kids, but let me go ahead and show you what I got. So I went ahead and I picked up a pack of ground beef. This is the 8812, so we picked that up. I got a case of water. I got these Vietnamese pho Ferrea, because she likes to have these as a snack. Some tortilla chips for the kids' lunch. I got a bag of Halos, because for the kids. I got some cooking spray for just like cooking random things so it doesn't stick to my pan. I got 2 packs of chicken thighs. I absolutely love chicken thighs. I've said it before, I like them because they're higher in fat. So it's real easy to hit that protein goal, guys, but we gotta, make sure we get our fat in. So they were 99 cents a pound, so I bought 2 packs of those. Coffee, because the world runs on Dunkin'. I got a pack of salami, so 2 packs for my kids' lunches and, for a quick snack. Top sirloin steaks. So this says beef loin, top sirloin steak, bottom boneless, cap off. I picked up a pack of those. I got a pack of Chihuahua cheese. This is something new I'm going to try. It's a Mediterranean Crunch chopped salad kit. It does come with tortilla strips. I won't use that, but I will use the feta because I love me some feta. So it's pretty keto friendly. We got a thing of roasted potatoes. I picked this up just for like sides for dinner for the kids. Some of them aren't real big on a lot of veggies, so I got that. I got me a thing of half and half for my coffee. I've been using half and half for some time. I measured out 30 grams is 2 carbs. I went ahead and picked up the Amino Energy. This was on coupon. This is the Juicy Strawberry Burst. This is my favorite pre-workout. And it only has, 2 carbs per 2 scoops. So it's pretty keto friendly. And it has your branched chain amino acids. So those are really good for muscle recovery. I do have this linked down in my Amazon store. If you have a Costco membership, it is on coupon. So make sure you go grab yourself one. I got the girls some fruit by the foot for their lunch. I got a thing of Wild Pacific Mahi Mahi. This is only 1 gram of fat per fillet, but it does have 21 grams of protein. So you can fry it up in a little butter. That will definitely help you get your fat in. Bacon, because what's keto without bacon? 4 pack of that. And we got some bananas. We got some eggs, because eggs are such a great staple to have. You can always fry yourself up an egg, hard-boiled egg, whatever way you like your eggs. Always a great way to get yourself a little snack in, and I love them, so we picked those up. We got some of this sparkling water. Leo likes this. I'm not a fan, but he likes it. And we got a bag of avocados. So there is our keto grocery haul. Costco has some really great sales right now, and it's a new coupon book. So make sure you guys run over there and see what they got, because I just literally filled up my freezer with all the good protein and, some little extras, and I thought they were really great prices. But alright guys, I will check in with you later.